foodie, this is Angela. Today we'll make two dishes with a chicken. Right now, Korea is July, and the July is summer's coming, so it's really hot. So in Korea, during the summertime, we usually eat samgyetang and chogyetang. The samgyetang is kind of a hot chicken soup, and chogyetang is a cold chicken soup. And if you put the noodle, then we call it 초계국수, which is mean cold chicken soup with a noodle. So I prepared a really big Korean chicken. I will show it. Korean traditional chicken is really big like this. Can you see? And it's, the size is really big, so that's why I will make two dishes. Okay, so first we will make a samgyetang, and the most important ingredient is chicken. And this is the rice, and I put in here the sticky rice and plain rice together and soak in the water for 1 hour. And garlic, sesame seed, jujube, and green onion. And then if you like ginseng, you can put it inside, but some foreign friends doesn't like it, so I prepare another thing. This one. This one is the oriental grass root, and it's really simple. You know, the ginseng is actually really expensive, but this one is only like $2. So in this tea bag, you see, here is the root from the tree, and then its name is 가시오가피, 황기, 엄나무, 당귀, 뽕나무. Really difficult name, but all the ingredients come from the nature. And then this is really good for health. And then this is the things makes your body healthy. Okay, now I'm prepared to the surgery. Because chicken is a little bit stinky, so I wear this one. Okay, so, but it's a simple surgery. So I'm going to use the whole chicken, and I will put all the ingredients inside here. Okay, so I cut the end of the chicken, and then when you open it, there's a hole. So the first one, I'm going to put this garlic inside. Pew! Jujube. Pew! And rice. This rice is the most important ingredient when you make this samgyetang. So here, and then actually you don't have to put all the things in one time. You can separate in two times. So I will put here. You see? And I will put more jujube. This one. Rice. Okay, I think this is enough. If you put too much, it will burst out in the pot. So it's just like this. So when you finish to fill it up, I already cut this part. So we have to tie up together. But if you don't have any rope, then cut it here, and then put the other part of the leg inside, like this. Then it's naturally tied up. Is it cool? Like this. Okay. Okay, so I prepared a cooker, which is actually a rice cooker, but we can use it for the samgyetang. And let's put chicken, which has a rice inside. Put it in the pot first. I actually prepared the stock, but you can put the water in here. Okay, put here. And I told you here's the secret recipe, which is wood, which is grass inside. So putting here together. And you have the rest of the rice in here, so put here together. And then we only need just 1 hour or half an hour to make it. So let's open it. The samgyetang is coming out. And the smell is really great. Ooh, oh my God. Whoa. That's really wow. You see, it's really creamy. Creamy, and the smells it's really great. I already feel like it becomes healthy. In here, the chicken is laying down with this pose, and the rice already cooked. And so, why isn't she inside? Oh, Wow. See? The rice is already cooked and it's really sticky. Ta-da! So samgyetang is made incomplete. This is for a one-person size, but usually to종닭 is really big, so it is standing in the pot. It's just so fun. And then you see, inside here, the sticky rice and all the stock is really creamy. And I'd like to recommend to put the salt and pepper together and sesame seed. When you go to the really tasty samgyetang restaurant, you usually approach this one. Just put the rice in here and chicken with the salt and pepper and make a top of that. So after finishing the chicken, and you have this pot, so like this. But this jujube, I recommend do not eat because the jujube is working for soaking the oil from the chicken. So do not eat jujube, just take it out. So I'm gonna make a 초계탕, and then I prefer the 국수, which is called noodle. So I prepare the noodle and the other ingredient. But this is a 냉면 noodle, and that is the making with the buckwheat or the sweet potato, and it's a low calorie and really tangy. And some people think that 초 is kind of a first, and then the K is kind of a chicken. So people think that is the kind of the summer chicken, but actually it means vinegar and mustard. So that is the most important ingredient. And here's the lettuce, carrot, and green onion. That's all. And next step is making 초계국수. So all you need is the chicken breast. We already cooked it before, and then it is pretty thick, so to separate with your hands like this. And then we already cut the carrot and the lettuce together. So put it here. You know, the reason we put the lettuce is that because of the color, and then it has a really crispy taste. Okay, and next is making a sauce. To making a sauce, you need mustard, sesame oil, and sugar. It's very simple. Mustard. The mustard is the one. Then 참기름 is just a sweet taste. Then put 2 spoons of the and put a little bit of the water. Like this. And then put in here. Okay, and mix together. And here's the stock. I put it in the refrigerator because to make a little bit of the ice in here. And they're melting a little bit. And I put in here. So finally, we made a 초계국수. So eat like this together. Enjoy Taste Korea!